Claudio, I know Technomagnete, you've got a fabulous reputation globally, but you've got new representation in the United Kingdom.
At the moment is TDT technology, and we start with them beginning of this year, and in just a couple of months we were able to achieve good result with them, since it's well introduced in the Workholding application, and they represented a big company with a big milling machine, and this is the application that we would like to sell through his help in UK. This is a milling chuck with the full metallic surface without any assembling part. It's just monoblock of steel, 42 millimeter thick, with a completely waterproof. We don't have any resin or gasket on the top, so it's not possible for the water to come inside. Each pole is able to generate 650 kilograms each one, and we usually provide the chuck with a set of polar extension in order to be able to follow the surface of the workpiece, and the chuck, through the polar extension we are able to adapt the workpiece on the magnetic chuck to get a completely and well strength to the chuck. How they works? Let me show. Now is we don't have any magnetization. I will show how they work, the polar extension, movable polar extension. Sorry. If we have the workpiece that is not completely flat, maybe with some deformation, as you can see now we have some air gap between the polar extension and the fixed side. We just need to make the max cycle and the polar extension going directly in touch. We have a stroke of 5 millimeters with the polar extension that follow the surface of the workpiece. This is a new patented technology. Was patented in 2007 from Technomagnete during the bad periods all around the world due to the crisis. And Technomagnete, instead to stay behind the desk to waiting a development, they decide to research and patent a new product as the mill tech.
So you've mentioned TDT have sold one of these for a large machine.
Yeah.
But I know you do smaller solutions for 5-axis machines.
Yes, we have also the 5-axis machine solution, is the round chuck, 42 millimeter with a clamping force even on the backside. So you have a uniform clamping of the workpiece through the magnetic chuck to the machine table without any possible deformation during the operation.
And another advantage, you can get at all 5 sides of the component.
Yeah,
there's no vice grips.
The 5 axis completely free. You can machine all around the workpieces without change any position of the workpiece.
So thank you very much. You've had a good start with TDT, and I'm sure it will continue. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you very much for your time.